with your game, pop your shit, face on pretty, let's stay thick, beef with who she got the right one. All these bad bitches ain't got the like none, and they all think I got the type one. Pick one, take it, I got the right one. These bad bitches you like is my son.
Hey guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're going to be learning how to make a bralette cup. Excuse me guys, it is early in the morning. So, all you're going to need is some yarn, whatever crochet hook you want to use. I'm using a 6 just for this video, but you can use whatever crochet hook that you have available. And obviously the size or the width will be different. And I'm going to use a stitch marker because it's going to help when you're doing the single crochets for this project, so you know where you have to increase at. So without further ado, let's get right into it. So we're going to take our yarn, make a slip knot like we always do. Then we're going to chain 16. No, actually, we're going to chain 15. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So this is what it's looking like right now. Then let's pull out some more. So we're going to go all the way down, and when we get here, we're going to put 3 single crochets into the last one, and I'll show you where you place the stitch marker. So sorry, it's not a single crochet. We're gonna go single crochet, single crochet, single crochet, single crochet. So let's count. It's always good to count if you feel like you want to check your work. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 single crochets down. In the last one, you're going to put 3 single crochets, and this will become the top of the bralette. So the second one, you're going to place your stitch marker. If you don't have this type of stitch marker, put a string in there, tie it, put a bobby pin, whatever. You can just put a placeholder for the for the second single crochet when you're making your 3 at the top. And then we're going to make another one. Now we're going to work on the opposite side of our foundation chains. So you're going to go into here, not here. You're going to go into here, and you're going to go back down 13 times. Just keep going under. Back down the same space where you did on the other side. And that will be row 1 of your bralette cup. So we're going to chain 1, turn our work, and so now we're just going to go back up and around, and when we get here, we're going to do our increase. So just continue making your single crochets. I'm just going through both loops. All the way up. Now we've reached our point where we're going to increase. So you can take the stitch marker out. Sometimes I leave it in until I get to where I need to remove it. So that's 1, 2, take the stitch marker out. And we're going to put the stitch marker into the second one, and then 1 more to complete that increase. Now we're just going to keep going back down. And make sure you get the last one. Okay, so chain 1, and we're going to turn our work. So this is what row 2 is looking like. So for row 3, we're going to just go back up. Make sure you go through both. It's really easy to make. That's why I'm not stopping the video editing and, you know, I'm just going to let the video play. So now we're back at the top. And once again, we're going to go in and make our 3 single crochets into the same chain. So this is our third one, and we're gonna continue going down the other side for row 3. And this is basically the pattern for this bralette cup. And you can make another one, and you can make a dress if you want to just make a bikini top. If you want to extend the bralette down a little bit and just make it into a little crop top or something. T-shirt, a dress, it's totally up to you. So this is what row 3 is looking like. And I'm gonna come back after I've done a few rows and then show you guys what it's looking like, and then we can wrap up this tutorial. Okay guys, and here you have it. Here is a bra cup. Now I did 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 rows. This is what 7 rows is looking like. If you would like to do a small, if you're this small, then okay, fine, you know, you can stop here with the 7 rows. I feel like a small medium would be like 13 to 14 rows or 15 rows. Obviously, the bigger your breasts are, the more rows you will need to cover. If you would like to chain more for your foundation chain, that's absolutely fine as well. Remember, we started off with 15. You can do 16, 17, 18, whatever you feel like would be more comfortable for you. And obviously, like I said, you can add more rows going around to make the cup bigger. But this is just a quick tutorial so that you guys can learn how to make one of your own. And I'm gonna flip it on both sides so you guys can see how nice it's gonna look. It's gonna take the shape, and obviously you can make 2, make it into a bra, just a regular bralette. You could do all types of things with this. But thank you guys for watching. Hopefully this was an easy tutorial for you to follow, and make sure to leave a comment and like this video to let me know that you guys enjoyed. If you want to learn how to make the full bra, just let me know, then we can do that as well. But here is the final product.